Welcome to Mumbai, or previously known as Bombay, is one of the most populous and biggest cities of Maharashtra. Also the biggest metropolis of this state, Mumbai is also popular as the entertainment and financial capital. It is the largest city of India and fondly called as the City of Dreams. It is a place filled with dreamers and people who work hard day and night to achieve their dreams. From struggling actors, laborers, Bollywood stars, to gangsters, Mumbai has a lot. A lot that can be written about and talked about. Mumbai is also home to one of the biggest slum areas, as well as home to the richest, and thus it is only fair to describe Mumbai as a city for all. The majorly spoken language is definitely Hindi, but this city has welcomed people from all faiths and religions warmly. If you want to know and experience diversity, visit Mumbai. This city also has its very own language, that is the Bombay Hindi. Let's get started with the Gateway of India. Marvel at the architecturally impressive Gateway of India, an imposing colonial-era monument overlooking the glistening Arabian Sea. This striking landmark is a popular starting point for visitors wishing to discover Mumbai's captivating southern neighborhoods. Inaugurated in 1924, the Gateway of India commemorates a visit by King George V and Queen Mary. Built on an old fishing wharf called Wellington Pier, aka Apollo Bunder, the gateway served as the landing point of aristocrats and viceroys during the colonial years. Then there's Juhu Beach. Revel in a day of sun, sand, sea, and stress-free relaxation at Juhu Beach. This sprawling sandy expanse sits on the shores of the Arabian Sea and is one of the largest beaches in Mumbai. It is located in the Juhu suburb, an upmarket enclave that's home to many Bollywood celebrities and is flanked in part by luxury hotels and apartments. Now, here's a unique place to visit, the Elephanta Caves. Ferry to Elephanta Caves, a centuries-old collection of rock-carved caves with sculptural masterpieces including temples and deity statues. Labyrinthine caves spread across the pretty Elephanta Island. Elephanta Caves, originally called Gairapuri, dates back to the 5th century. Portuguese explorers provided the name Elephanta after discovering a large stone resembling an elephant. Now get your wallets ready for the Crawford Market. You can enjoy some retail therapy with a trip to the Crawford Market, a popular shopping spot in Mumbai. While you're in the area, stroll along the seaside. You also need to visit the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Explore the great outdoors with a trip to Sanjay Gandhi National Park, a popular green space in Mumbai. Amble around the area's college campus or visit its monuments. Considered to be the largest park in the world, located within city limits, the Sanjay Gandhi National Park is among Mumbai's most rewarding and popular attractions. The densely forested park plays host to about 2 million tourists a year, making it one of Asia's most visited parks. Among locals, the park is well known as the lungs of the city, with its lush green cover counteracting much of the city's air pollution. Previously known as the Borivali National Park, this historic stretch of nature is home to rich and diverse flora and fauna, including a resident tiger population. If you aren't impressed already, the park is also home to the ancient Kanheri Caves, 109 rock-cut cave temples dating to the 1st century BCE and believed to have once been Buddhist shrines and places of meditation and study. Finally, we have the Taj Mahal Palace. No tour of Mumbai is complete without some time spent at the historic and architectural marvel that is the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. The building's iconic dome was the first clear marker of the Bombay Harbour until the Gateway of India came along 20 years later. Built in 1903 until Jamshedji Tata, the Arabian Sea-facing hotel, is among the most celebrated in the country. There you have it, a few of the most popular tourist attractions in Mumbai, India. For exclusive highlights of more cities you've dreamed of traveling to, don't forget to like this video if you liked it and hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss when we upload new videos each week. Chat soon!